We all see those viral videos, TikToks of pretty girls that are AI generated, floating around the internet with millions of views, making thousands worth of cash. Like this IG influencers is also a product of artificial intelligence. With more than 300,000 followers, she's definitely one of those it girl that you saw online. There's no way you're telling me that you see this picture and you can tell that she's not real. This made me wonder, why not create my own? After doing some research with those YouTube videos, here's how you can create one using only 2 tools. Step 1. You pick out that one favorite influencers of yours to get an inspiration of who you're going to create. For me, I have a teeny tiny small sessions with Daisy Keach. I mean, she's gorgeous and she's looking fit, so why not? And who wouldn't? After you have that inspiration of who you're going to create, you move to Midjourney. I'm sure we all familiar with this tool. For those who don't know, Midjourney can create picture based on your descriptions. For example, I'll type in red hair, 21-year-old girl in white mini dress, purple Converse sneakers would be effective. And when you got the picture, you make it save your character's face, and from then you can swatch your character face onto whatever picture you want using this command. So now you got a perfectly fit girl ready for your post. And let's say you have to be consistent posting with key hashtag, for example, to reach your target audience, because that's how Instagram works. At this step, you can already set to go to create an Instagram account, but why wouldn't make it more interesting by creating videos like this? You can do that by going to this website to turn images into videos. You can also add cool effects and transitions into the video to make it more fun. Or this website, to make a unique voice for your character, you can choose the voice, gender, age, and accent, and just easily play around with the options to pick out the best voice that fits. Just like that, you create your own AI influencers and start to make money from it. So if you like this idea, leave a comment and I will see you in the next AI Fire video.